Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Wi-Fi channel, quick tip step by step clearly. To change your Wi-Fi channel, first, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type your router's IP address. Common IP addresses include 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Press Enter to access the router's login page. Enter your router's admin username and password. These credentials are often found on the router itself or in the user manual. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section. Look for an option labeled wireless or Wi-Fi settings. Find the setting for Wi-Fi channel or channel selection. Many routers allow you to choose channels from 1 to 11 in the 2.4 GHz band. If using the 5 GHz band, options may extend to channels 36 to 165. Choose a channel that is less congested. You can use Wi-Fi analyzer apps to, after selecting a new channel, save your changes. Your router may reboot automatically, or you might need to do it manually. Once the router is back online, check your Wi-Fi connection. Verify your internet speed and stability on the new channel. If necessary, repeat the process until you find the best channel for your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.